Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming skin is clean, dry, and free of creams. This ensures adhesion and avoids irritation. Once done, check the roll for expiry and perform a quick 24-hour patch behind the ear if you are unsure. Then unpackage and unroll the tummy roll just enough to expose the adhesive edge. Make sure you're seated or lying so the abdomen is relaxed. This prevents creasing. You're ready to align the roll with the midline of the tummy and prepare to press it on. Now you align the center of the Mother Sparsh Tummy Roll with your navel or the area you want supported. Once aligned, hold one side and press the adhesive to skin, smoothing from the center outward to eliminate air pockets. Make sure to apply firm, even pressure for about 20 to 30 seconds so the adhesive bonds properly. If the roll is longer than needed, trim excess with clean scissors. Do not stretch the material. You should feel gentle, even compression without pinching. To finish, recheck all edges after about 10 minutes and press any lifting spots down. This ensures lasting adhesion. When removing, go slowly. Support skin with one hand, stretch gently and roll the adhesive off rather than pulling sharply to reduce discomfort. After removal, cleanse the area with water and pat dry. If you notice redness, burning, or itching, stop use immediately and perform a 24-hour patch test on unaffected skin. If symptoms persist, consult a healthcare professional.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.